From a basic Google Street View image to a stunning shopping mall concept. Step 1. I found a random street image on Google Maps. You can also upload a photo or take one with your phone. Step 2. I uploaded it to Luw.ai and used Magic Prompt AI to remove cars and trucks from the scene. Clean and easy. Step 3. Then I used Photo Enhance AI to upscale the image, but with a creative twist. Now it looks sharp and artistic. Step 4. Next, I dropped it into Exterior AI and typed a prompt like, modern shopping mall with wood elements and dark gray aluminum. Step 5. Luw gave me multiple versions. I picked the best one, then used Magic Prompt AI again to say, make restaurant area bigger. Boom, it adapted instantly. Step 6. Finally, I sent it to Video AI and BAMM Collision. A full render animation of my design. I didn't use Photoshop. I didn't use 3ds Max. I only used Luw.ai. This is the future of design. Fast. Creative. AI-powered. Try it yourself at Luw.ai Dizzy.